Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Taylor here. So on today's video I'm going to be reviewing something that I take everywhere that I go, constantly all the time. Mostly I take it because I'm constantly filming and stuff like that. But it is a great thing to take, and I highly suggest that everybody get one, especially given that it is so cheap. So either way, so let's see what I'm going to be reviewing here today on Let's Get Packing. So today I'm going to be reviewing this thing right here, which is a lifesaver. So this is my phone tripod. It's my little handheld tripod, and it is amazing. It's incredibly lightweight, and it was only $15 from Amazon. $14.99 for this thing, and it's so cool. So basically what this is, in case you don't know what a tripod is I can kind of set it, like this, set my camera or my phone on it, and then it'll stay there for me to record while I record my videos and everything. So the neat thing about this one and why I like it is because this one is actually like, I think it's called like a spider one or whatever, but it has like these legs that can kind of like be curved. You see, like this? So you can kind of like latch this onto things. So like if there's nowhere for me to really set it, I can wrap the legs around something and it will kind of like hold in place like this. So like doing something like this is like really quite helpful, especially if the best view isn't necessarily being set on a flat surface or whatever, So it's really cool to be able to like wrap that around like a bed frame or a lamp or something, like to get the view better. And then what's also great about this is it's really easy to kind of like these are really malleable, so it's really easy to kind of like set it like this, and I can hold it like this vlogging style, so that way I can like hold it up and watch myself and everything and kind of keep it steady. So let's kind of like unpack it. So you have like this little lever knob, this little knob right here, and you can kind of unscrew it, and that allows this ball that's right here to kind of maneuver around, you see? So you can kind of like set the camera back, set it forward, whatever the case may be, and then tighten it whenever you get it to be like where it is that you want. Then you can kind of like tighten it right there, right? And then we also have this thing right here. So this is actually what you set your phone in. So this piece comes off, and you can just screw the camera in, like the bottoms of cameras, they have that little hole that you can screw them in tripods. That's that right there. So this is actually pretty neat because you can actually, it came with this. You can put your phone in this. So like I have like an iPhone 10, and my 10 fits in here really well. So you can kind of just squeeze that, and then you can set the phone. And now what's really cool about this is you have two ways. So there's a hole right here, which is the normal way I do it, and I set my phone like this, so that way it's in landscape mode, and then you just kind of screw it on. You screw it on, and then bam, it just sits there like that, right? And then if I'm like vlogging or whatever, then I can hold it like this, or I can set it on the table or wherever it is, whatever happens to be there, like this, and hold it up so it's just like that, and I can adjust it. And but then there's also a second hole right here on the back, so you can actually take this and do it like this as well, whatever way you happen to like be comfortable. But you could like set it like this, and then unscrew this a little bit, bring the phone down, and then bam, you've got yourself like a good like portrait mode sort of shot, which is great if you're doing the new Instagram TV thing. Then you've got this whole like portrait setup that you can do like right here, which would be just, amazing if that's what you're kind of like going for and doing. So I love that. Like this entire thing is great. And then it also has, okay, try not to break my phone while unscrewing it. It also has a little level right there. Do you see that? So that way it makes it a lot easier for you to like try to adjust like the level and everything. You can see whether or not your phone or whatever you have setting on top of it is level. So I love that. And then it also has this little neat thing that comes out of it. So this part right here where you stick it to it, you can actually press this button, pull it, bam, and then you've got this separated. So that way, if you don't want to try to have to like set it up on this, or you're setting up a camera or whatever, then you can just screw this in separately from that. And then just slide it back in. Bam, and it snaps into place, done. So yeah, I love this. I go everywhere with this, and it's so small and lightweight and compact. I just put it in my backpack, or I put it in my suitcase, whatever the case may be, and yeah, it's amazing. It's definitely something, and for it being only, you know, $15, that's nothing for something like this, and for all the benefits you're getting out of this, it's great. I mean, it's small enough that it can even like fit in my pocket, you know, like I have on shorts right now. Like I have on shorts right now, and like it can actually fit majority of the way in there. I would stick it in my back pocket, but these don't have back pockets, so can't do that. But anyways, like yeah, so normally I'd put it and carry it just like this if I don't have my backpack on me, and then whenever there's a shot or something I need to do or set it up, just take it out and bam. So simple, it's amazing. Alright guys, well that's all that I have for you today. Be sure to get yourself one of these, only $15 on Amazon. I will link it down below, so be sure to get one of those. They're just so amazing to have, and like yeah, I can't imagine like going anywhere without it. It's helped me take so many amazing shots, so yes, definitely do it. You know, just set it somewhere, put your camera on a timer, done. Anyway, if you like this video and want to see more like it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys around the world. Bye.